You get hit on it? Almost.
Come on, I'll get upstairs. Get upstairs.
Go. Jump.
I come. You don't have to.
Hey! What's that?
Stop it, Cole. Yeah. Far left. Down the stairs. So. Does that keep Chandler green? Are there any other staircases?
What?
Any other staircases? Just that one?
One way up, one way down.
Good.
We're going to be up here till we die or till we win.
All right.
I can't see that far. Can? I think they're all on that side of the building.
Hey, there's a hole. There's a hole over on that side.
Coming out, man.
Lock the door.
What's that?
Someone on this side up?
Don't know. Could be either. Watch so.
Please don't shoot me back.
Yeah. Oh.
Here's my grenades, because it's so easy.
Hey, anything down there to the door? Hey, there's a 10 up here, guys. Remember that. Making sure we're not shooting our own guys. Dead man coming downstairs. Dead man, don't
They're
shoot.
all around, like that far window, if you look straight down, they're all right there. Who's watching this back door?
I got it.
Alright, so.
What?
You're still on the stairwell?
I don't know. Haven't seen it.
Don't know. I know I shot 5.
How about going back down around?
I don't know. I've been shooting
Who's watching this back door?
Here's.
Do we have the stairs?
Yes, there's some guy on the stairs.
Because the outside of the building is clear. If two people can get
Go
down
around.
and go around,
So
Open this window here. They're in this room underneath us.
Alright, I'll go.
So 2 people can go. So
You wanna come too?
cover down the stairs.
Yeah, sure. How are we gonna get past those guys?
You're gonna go down.
Just covering fire. Right.
You're gonna go down right and go.
Hey, cover us, all right? We're
Going
going
down.
down.
Go around. So I'm pretty. We're gonna put down cover. You ready?
Yeah.
1.
I don't get shot from that side, this side, from this side.
2. Okay.
Are we getting shot from
Yeah,
back?
stand right here.
Are you going out?
Yeah. Hey!
You're ready. Go.
Alright, well, watch yourself, don't see my face. Alright,
All right.
1.
2, 3. Cover.
Dude, that's not 20 feet.
My bad, Ben. God.
You good?
Hey, this guy right here. This guy right here at the GoPro.
Watch this door right here. I got this window. Hey, watch this door. Oh, he's dead.
Alright.
Hey, clear down
Oh,
here.
hey, someone over there. Hey, well, watch that window right there. Watch that window right there. That window right there, okay?
Just for future reference, am I the only one left?
What are you?
Hey, go to this window down there. He'll be on your left. Okay? Very end. On your left. You out? Okay.
I'm down. I'm the only one left. You good out here?
Yeah, it's all clear, I was the only one left.
Why should we trust you?
Yeah. Let's go.
Everyone else is all clear.
You out? Hey, you're out? All right. You out? One's still in there.
Is that us?
Okay. There's one guy in that far room right there. We gotta get someone else though. Oh, you right, dude?
Yeah, you got me.
All right. Good job, man. Good job. You scared the heck out of me, dude. Oh.
That's why you're walking out.
Stand right here, guys, stand right here.
Stand right there. Ah, hit. Oh, dang it. Oh, they're coming around here. Huh.
Where's the medic?
He's over there.
You got it?
Now the medic's the one hit. You got another medic?
You can revive me if you're not a medic.
Oh, I can?
I am the medic.
So I can revive you then?
Yeah, anybody can.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
There's about a dozen.
Hey,
or so.
Brent!
Most of them hit the trench.
Where's Brent at?
Might have gone around there. That's got some power. You're not shooting? Mag full?
Yeah.
Is that a high cap?
Yeah.
Wind it some more. Oh crap, we're gonna be left behind. I'll pick it up, follow me. Okay, I'm going on 3. they're going to be up here soon. Nothing? All right, kid. Yeah.
They're just gonna keep. They're just gonna keep getting us from our spawn. You're going to that range. Oh, you got a shot. Oh yeah. I got 7 up range. All right.
Hey, watch out, 'cause they're going to be coming through here maybe. So go up along this wall. Just don't let them sneak behind us.
No.
Hey, there's someone over there. Hey, y'all guys, we got some people over here.
Yeah, we can shoot at the trenches inside the building. There's a window.
You can go inside the building.
Yeah. Oh yeah. No.
That's our thing. Oh, they're coming around. They're coming around. Hey. Hey, over there.
I guess it's way too minutes to go respond.
So they're gonna pop out around here somewhere then too.
They're at. You saw that one go in the back.
Yeah,
right?
yeah. So they're gonna be over there soon. Oh, there's two over there now. There's two over there. Yeah, we got someone over there. At least 2 or 3 people over there.
All right, who wants to roll with me? One person stay on this corner, and then
Yeah.
2 of us are going to run right there. I'm going to take that left
I'll cover the
building
corner.
and then you're
Okay.
going to take that right building corner.
All right. Wait, which one am I getting?
Right,
Oh, that's ours. That's
Where that
ours.
guy came out of, you're getting that corner right there. I'm gonna
Are we
that
running
right
into
building.
there?
You are running to that blue building where that guy's crouched
Yeah,
down.
yeah.
You're going to run to the right.
All
Just right at him. I'm going to go to the left corner, okay?
I think there's someone right there though. So we should go over here first to check that out.
All right, that'll work. We'll run around
All
this way. Ready? Go.
Yeah. Oh. They're green, right? Yeah.
Yeah, push through.
All right.
Right there.
Okay.
Right.
Behind you! Behind you!
You good?
Oh.
How many you got?
Oh, 1. Oh, dang.
Oh, shit. Out.
Hey, same team.
Oh, fuck.
That's my first hit.
Ready? Shit, that guy's on medic too.
Yeah. There's one medic over there.
All right, we got 2 minutes, right?
Yeah.
You a medic, man?
Let's go over here.
Okay. Yeah, we need a medic. No, we're
No.
not. Oh, okay.
I think we might as well just head back to base.
Okay, are these guys with? Oh, you medic?
Good job, man.
You a medic?
Hey, cover that way.
Yeah, y'all cover that left. You wanna move up this side and try to get around them?
Yeah, let's go.
Alright. You want point?
Just be, oh yeah, sure.
Okay.
Just be cognizant of that side, okay?
Okay.
Okay. What we could do is risk run around here to that gap you pointed out first.
Okay. Which one? The gap on the...
The one with the blue building right there? We can do that. Maybe flank him. Let's go. Let's go, come on, he's not looking. Hey.
Out. You're friendly.
Y'all friendly?
No.
Oh, okay, alright. I was like, dang. So glad I got that on camera.
You want Dan?
Yeah, over there.
Where were you in that game? I just got there.
He's the one who told us y'all were here.
Really?
No, I'm kidding.
I got these like douchebag teammates over here, so
Yeah.
you got medic anywhere? Go medic. We're on 10. We're 10? Bleed out.
We're tense.
Yeah, we're 10 too. We're dead.
I'm bleeding out. Hey, you guys got sidearms?
Yeah.
Wait, you come from right
We came from right here. We didn't know y'all were there, man. We were just thinking that guy was there and that was it. So, yeah.
Here's a moment kind of shit.
Yeah, I know, yeah. Sorry.
Hey, did we go back to respawn if you don't get
You can if you want.
2 minutes. See this big building here?
Yeah.
They're on the other side of it. Like, see that opening? And those 2 buildings are?
Yeah.
They're like right there on that corner.
Yeah. Oh, these are our people. All right, good.
They're not going to move up on that wall, guys. We got that covered.
Why are they not going around?
Hey, John, let's cut through this way.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't know how well they have this side covered.
Oh, Jesus. Go that way.
Yeah.
You guys mind if I run with you?
Yeah, go ahead. Hey, who are these guys over here? Oh, those are our team. All right, good.
It was 200 and got it upgraded and repaired, so.
Is there fire until the AirSoft?
Oh.
There is one that's outdoor fuels, but I can't remember what it's called. I think like birthday or something.
How y'all doing over here?
We know this guy's in right.
Yeah. We just had a bunch of,
Tan or green?
we had about 10 guys go this way on them. I think they made a lot of progress. Oh, he's not out? That's it. Thanks, man. Yeah. Yeah, I thought. Hit again. Okay. You can see straight through here. Is that our guy?
They're coming.
Is that tan?
Through there.
No, but you can see through it to see what if they're coming or not.
Yeah.
Here, you come with me. You tan? All right, good. I think that's someone else. We should be good. There's a guy to the left.
The guy at the bush, his phone call is his.
I know. Yeah, I could have sworn I hit him when he was running over there. So.
I hit him like 5 times at the bush.
Yeah. Is the guy at the bush still there?
Yeah,
Come on, man.
man, I swear I hit him.
I know. I could have sworn I hit him when he was running over there.
Is he really counting down to when he's gonna move? He just counted down out loud or something. What a big shit.
God forsaken bushes. He's hiding behind this devilish bush. He needs cleansing.
Corner?
The bush or the corner?
The bush, right by the tree.
You need cleansing.
Hey, dude, you're about to walk right in front of me.
Hey, somebody missing a pin for a thunder
We
beam?
got him! Where's the other guy at? Right there. Truck house, truck house. Truck house.
There's a
He
dude
can't
on
be
the
in the
corner
crack
of the
house, right?
cafeteria.
No,
as
he's
well.
on the corner of the crack house.
There's a dude on the corner of the cafeteria too.
You're out.
Me?
Yeah.
I didn't get hit.
No, you're out of ammo. It sounded like it.
Oh no, it's not feeding. Steve magazine.
Watch you guys. Oh, bush guy called us hit. It's a miracle.
Hey, green or tan?
Hey, how we doing on that side? All right, hey, we need some people over here.
Hey.
Come on, go, go. I think that's 10, guys. Are you 10? Oh. Yeah. We could, yeah, but I mean, there's a lot of people over here. Hey, you go and get more people over here. Tell them there's a bunch of people.
Tell me we need a medic. Can they come from our spawn area?
Yeah, they probably could. I would assume we'd stop in those since we should have a bunch of people over there. So. Oh, hit!
Hit!
Medic!
Medic!
Watch that corner, watch that corner. Guys, go up here, move up.
So we just head back to spawn.
Huh?
So we just head back to spawn.
Yeah.
I made a nice spear.
Who are those guys?
I ain't gonna spawn.
Oh, y'all spawned? Yeah. Alright, good, 'cause man, a bunch of people over there.
Get that good. Let's see one's got some air.
I'm not walking out there. There's a whole bunch of them right at that corner.
Yeah, I know.
Across that corner.
Hey. Alright, if you're gonna spawn, come with me. You got a decent idea.
Why don't we just go to this corner and shoot them?
Yeah, we're gonna go around this way and get them. I think they're leaving their rear open, so.
What about this corner? They're not going to expect us to remember.
I don't know. We got a lot of people there already. I'd rather go to where I think they're not. Are y'all spawned? Are y'all spawned?
You ever spawned in?
Yeah, you're not dead? Alright, good. Because they all basically went this way into the center. So we can attack this way. Maybe collapse them in. Ah, out. Ooh. Hey, we have a medic over here? Nope.
Yep.
Oh.
Oh, wow, yeah.
Damn, my fucking AK-74.
What?
I just brought this is the first gun I've ever used it in. I just got it Thursday.
Yeah?
It's fucking broken.
That sucks.
I don't know what the fuck this is. Wasn't paying attention.
Yeah. Are you dead? Alright.
Hey, who wants to go medic drag that guy? If two people grab onto him.
Alright, hey guys. No one's over there. People are dead over here. Let's go over here real quick, alright?
Thank you for being peaceable, sir.
Yep. Let's go.
Hey, watch your fucking shot!
What?
There's one just sitting there.
To the left or the right?
Left on this building. Behind some boards.
You got him?
Yeah, there should be another one right here.
Oh, my bad, dude. My bad. I'm sorry. Yeah. Yeah.
Hey, sir, will you walk out the line of fire, please? Thank you. Medic! Medic!
Is that guy on our team? Right there? Sitting down?
Are you out? Alright. I think they're all out here. Not on our team.
Is that a we?
What? Yeah.
that a Wii?
No, this is a SEMA.
No.
This is a Wii, yeah.
So, same here.
Nice, dude.
If this fucking breaks, I'm gonna kill somebody.
Yeah, same here. You hit?
Yeah. You medic, right?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next time, stay where you are.
Hey, there's a guy in this doorway right here, okay?
Alright, let him up. Oh, how much was that?
91?
No, the AK.
10 something. I got during Christmas. Whoa. This guy like right here.
Same building?
Yeah, he's just along this wall.
Hey, what is that thing you're holding for? That,
Lanyard.
what does it do?
Make sure it doesn't drop. Protects the investment. Oh, there's a guy right here with a pistol. Hey, hey.
Hey, watch that door. Hey, watch the admin building.
Oh, there's a guy over there in the doorway.
Hey, watch that admin building.
Doorway center building. Nah, seeing it. He got low. Hey, add the building real quick, man. Oh, it's not in the building apparently. Okay.
He's in the doorway, isn't he?
Yeah.
Then get out of the building!
I gave him a chance to get out for free, so whatever. No, he's still in there. There's a sniper on the left side of that doorway too, behind the tree. So.
He's not in the building.
Yeah, he's not in the building.
Get out of the building! Yes, you are! Is there a roof over your head?
Don't worry about it, dude. Alright. I'm gonna go over here real quick, okay? Give me some covering fire.
Where are you going?
Over here.
Alright, go ahead. Cover. 3, 2, 1, go.
What did I jump? Dang. Yeah. This guy in this right here. Hit. Damn hit. Yeah. Shoot him. Yeah.
Hey, ceasefire!
No, hey, don't yell ceasefire. Don't call ceasefire.
Say, dead man walking. Hi, Mr. Shooting at me.
Yeah.
We're going in.
All the way across. think they went on the right side. Yeah, I'll go find them. Hold on. Hey, who's got the bomb?
Bomb here.
Alright, y'all come this way.
Of which you don't have one, Chris. Watch it. We gotta kind of move outside.
Guy up in the second story. Can you get through this way?
Yeah.
What was he talking about?
There's a light in here.
Yeah, here, back this way.
Kerosene or something. There's
I don't know
nothing
what
back
this,
here.
yeah.
Hey, why don't we get up on that?
Major. Here. Hey, Major. Let's take second story and provide
Hey, y'all, come on. Where's the bomb?
We need more people.
Hey, come on, guys.
Where is my bomb?
It's right here.
Let's go, bomb.
Hey, bomb guy, let's go.
Let's go.
They're all in this room over here just talking, dude.
Oh man, let's go. Let's go, brother. Are you worried about dropping shit? Yeah, I got it. Do not make it out. Go.
Yeah.
Alright, y'all, keep coming, come on. Hey, medic. I don't even know where that's coming from. Yeah, I'll get him. Hey, medic! Back over here. They're down by that little door over there. You see?
They're down where?
Over here. If you need a medic, call for him. Yeah, we're doing a roundabout way. Where'd that one guy go?
Just up there.
You got range? You can hit 3 people.
I think I got more range in here. We got like 3 people on that 3rd story. Let's go, guys. Come on. Hey, we're good. 10. Yeah. Hey, you have range? Do you have range on that gun?
Not enough for windows.
Yeah, because we got a 3rd, like 3 people on that 3rd story.
Okay. Where'd those guys go?
Over here.
Okay. Keep it still.
Over here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Who's hit up here?
Where's bomb guy?
He's right on the corner. You ready to go?
Come around.
Y'all hit? No, we're good. I have a bomb here. I want to hurry up and fire this thing. I want to get it to this.
Well, then we have to hold it for the whole time, dude.
We have to carry it.
Yeah, I know, but I'd rather wait so they don't know where it
How
is.
far are we away from that 3rd story building?
It's right over here, dude. You can see it.
Can we get there?
You alright, man?
Okay, go check on him.
Yeah.
We can't go out this way.
Alright.
They got it. Let's head back the way we came.
Maybe I'll just stay here. I'll try to find. Where'd that one guy go? Oh, hey, he's calling for us. Bear, where are you at?
Hey, you got 10?
Oh, he's up here. All right, let's go. Come on.
You got 10?
Yeah.
10, yeah. I need 10. Yeah, we're good.
Yeah, 10, let's go down.
You got the bum?
Yeah, we got a package for you. Here, wait until we clear it. We don't want to. Clear. Clear. Do what? All clear. All clear.
All right.
We gotta find a way to get that first story.
Well, oh, look, everyone's down there.
See where it was, Dad? Bring me down there.
Yeah, don't let him see the bomb.
How are we gonna get to the two so we can tell where they're shooting from?
Hey, yeah, they're shooting from. I'll show you. I killed some of the guys.
Yeah, that third story. Anybody got any range?
I did. I killed
No,
one.
I have no range. Here.
Alright.
Guys, so let's move back.
I don't want to waste 50 BBs on it, but it's way so far.
Yeah.
Let's make it part of the full range. Anyone here got range?
No.
Is there a medic anywhere?
Yeah, we got some medics in here. You need one?
I need one down there.
Hey, medic down here.
Hey, dude, down there. Hey, how's the cafeteria looking?
Oh, that's go hammer.
Right.
The other guy.
Hey, medic. Down there.
Not him, but around that corner.
Oh, okay. So it's clear then for him?
Someone,
Yeah, they're...
someone stayed behind. Crept up an ambush. Yeah, maybe a little.
I've got a couple thousand BBs and speed loaders. Okay.
The other
I see a lot on the third story.
Alright.
Let's see if I can get some shots off. A lot of them are watching us from the second story. Here, use my shoulder. No, dude, go. Go for the second story. No, third story.
First window on the left. See him?
Change it.
Gotcha.
I hit with the guy when they all looking in. They're like, oh, there he is. Oh, get his cover, get his cover. Yeah, he's doing this, Brian. They saw him.
Oh, you're laying him down. Good job.
They saw him.
Oh. Medic! Wait, are you medic?
No.
Oh, okay.
Medic!
I'll go punch one. Hey, medic! Is there a medic down there?
Yeah, we got that down here.
Alright, I need you up here.
Who needs a medic? Who needs a medic?
Right in here. He's going to be past this doorway.
Where's my bomb?
Third window. This bomb's downstairs, I think. I just saw the kid walk downstairs. Right here. Hey, is bomb down there? Hey, bomb's down here. Bomb's down here.
Get it downstairs now. We need to go to cafeteria. Cafeteria's clear. Let's go.
Cafeteria's clear, guys. Let's go.
It was.
Cafeteria. Alright. So if it still is.
It is,
Are we getting fired from there?
Yeah, where's Henry's phone? Henry's phone.
I'm a medic.
Where's that?
You need a medic?
we got a cafeteria sit room.
Back that over there.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
You're in the wrong damn spot. Why are we way out here?
I don't know where, oh, top, third story, first window left.
Third story, first
Yeah.
window left.
Out that door.
Yeah.
Further back this way.
What do y'all want to do?
What story did you say it was?
Third story.
Can you sit there?
This is the awful.
I know, yeah.
Can you see him in that cafeteria?
Yes.
Yeah, there's a 5.
Shoot the shit out of my gun. There's my gun. You got range?
range on that?
No. There's
You
one
got
kid
range on
upstairs
that?
that had range. You got range?
Some range?
I can get
On the other side of this wall, there's a ladder you can climb up on and shoot near that window.
Are you sure we can climb up on it?
Yeah, dude, it's like takes you up to the window.
Inside, they're talking about
Where did they go around?
Hey,
What?
Put your feet, get back down the other direction.
Okay, when they send them ladders to me on the outside, on the inside, it don't matter.
Roof climbing ladder.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm going to step off.
Anybody here, medic? Yeah, you're a medic.
Good.
The bus took off from work. He hesitated before he shot me.
Hey, hey, Ray. Are you medic?
Yeah, I'm a medic.
Alright, one.
I don't know where the fuck they came from. It had to be the tree.
No, I think it's this dude he's inside
And-
that first doorway right here. In
For the cafeteria?
But he's like way back in the back. You can barely fucking see him because it's so dark in there. Yeah, and he's hiding. He's got his little fucking SMG, so he's sitting there on the corner like this. And he's got, you know.
Hey guys, you're moving the bomb. Hey guys, you're moving the bomb.
Hey, give him a boost, give him a boost.
Hey, Bear.
They're moving the bomb up second floor. That's what I told them.
We need to get the fuck out of this building. Apparently, other guys didn't do shit. They'll die.
Okay, he's shooting through that hole.
Which hole?
The hole right here before the doorway
Yeah.
in the wall.
Up the cafeteria?
Yeah, the cafeteria. That's that. Yeah, that's where he's shooting from. See it?
Oh, yeah.
Football.
Yeah, yeah, I got you.
He just took a shot at me from there. So that's where he's shooting from. He's shooting through that hole.
Can you get up the stairs?
Yeah. You good?
Oh, no, it's still showing. You got guys in the cafeteria.
You see anybody?
No, that top right window.
I don't see anything. What time we start this game?
20 minutes ago. We gotta get to that fucking building.
Where's that coming from?
Window coming down.
Ooh. Sorry, guy.
Who's that?
That's it.
I don't see shit on. Oh yeah, that's us.
Yeah.
Vision gun?
I don't see anybody in the room that we're supposed to plant. I can't see that far. So. Oh, yeah, I can. This building's blocking it right here. I mean, there's two doors right here we can go in.
Where's he going?
Let's use this door right here.
Hey, Dan, come down. Hey, it's runway, go ahead, bring your package down. Alright, bring the bomb down.
Come on now.
That window looks clear, man. I'm gonna cut you. You got me over here?
Yeah, you're good over here.
Alright, here's what we're gonna do. Give that to someone else. You've been carrying it for a while. We need someone fresh.
Here, give it to me.
Alright, here's
Watch out, watch out.
Oh, shit.
Hey, you see where that comes from? Do you see where that came from?
No.
Has to be coming from straight ahead. Hit this wall back here.
Alright, is there any, like, tips to holding this?
If I were you, I'd have this facing the other way. It's gonna be in there down here.
Thanks, man.
Hey, don't let them see the bomb, okay?
Huh?
Don't let them see the bomb.
Alright, someone will just pop out and start shooting.
Here's what we're gonna do. Who wants to go with high red fire?